Another two properties that will help us to navigate the DOM are previous sibling and next sibling. But again, be careful because they will gonna return a white space as a text. So if we're gonna go back to the index.html and check it out, what we have the unordered list with an ID of result. Then this is gonna be my first list item with a value of first, list item 2, and list item 3 over here. Or siblings over here. The first one was the first element in the list. Now it would work the same way with a next sibling if we would be targeting a last element. So again, just be careful whenever you're using a next sibling and previous sibling. Remember about the white space, and be careful with a first and last items in the list because they will gonna return 0 if there's no more elements before or after the element that you selected.